Welcome to another Crafting with Roswell. Your Death Star wall art kit comes with a template, a mirror, and a piece of aluminum foil. You will also need a pencil, permanent marker, craft knife, scissors, and a piece of sturdy cardboard. You will also need a sponge brush, Mod Podge, or glue stick, and a hot glue gun. First, cut out your template and then trace it onto your cardboard. Don't forget to include your laser opening if you want to use the mirror for that purpose. Next, I cut slits in the cardboard up to my outline and then cut these down and then cut in close to my circle in order to cut away all that excess cardboard. Next, I cut out the small laser opening for the mirror using the X-Acto knife. Add a light layer of glue or Mod Podge to part of your cardboard, and then choose which side of your aluminum foil you would like face up and add that on as well. Then add more glue and press all of your aluminum foil down onto your cardboard. Don't forget to cut open the area for your mirror to pop through. Next, trim up your aluminum foil to start tucking it around your edges and glue to the back of your cardboard. And don't forget your notches on the sides if you'd like to include those. Next, you'll place your template back on top of your cardboard with aluminum foil and then trace every line you see. Once you have all of these traced, you will then grab your permanent marker and trace over all of the lines on your aluminum foil. You will then add hot glue to the edge of your mirror and place that on the back so that it's showing through your opening, and add a piece of ribbon for a hanger if you'd like. And that's our finished project.